Welcome back to the Reinvention After 50s, 60s, and 70s series. If you've been following along, we've been diving deep into what it truly means to reinvent yourself. In our first video, we were talking about identity, and our second video, we talked about vision. And if you would like to catch up, you can either watch those videos here or here. Hi, I'm Teresa. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. And if you've been here before, thank you for stopping by again. I'm so glad to see you. Last time we talked about getting clear on your vision, and that means getting crystal clear on what you want. What does your heart desire? What do you dream about? What do you deeply want? Why is it important to you? And it's important to answer these questions so you can move forward. Spend time visualizing. Go big. Let yourself feel the emotions, the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, the love, because your feelings fuel your vision. And if this is something you have been struggling with, then I've got you covered. I have created a free guide to help you get clarity on your vision. So you can grab it in the link below. Now, once you have a clear vision of the future that you want to create, you need to set intentional goals. And it's really important that you understand that your goals need to inspire you. This is not the time for you to beat yourself up. Do not go to the past. Do not compare yourself. We are moving to the future. We are moving forward. Many people feel overwhelmed, thinking that reinvention means making massive changes overnight. But the truth is, it's the small, consistent steps, the 1% shifts that lead to massive transformation over time. Just picture it. You start today, you do 1% every day. By next year this time, you will have completed 365% of a change. There is never a perfect time to start. Your dreams and your desires and your vision, they are all waiting for you. Start today. So start now. The key to achieving your goals is to start asking yourself, how do I want to move forward with my vision? So once you visualize your desired outcome, you're going to work backwards from the end result. Having a clear destination will make the journey run smoother, and you will be able to attain your goals with that vision in your mind. Your goals should be specific and measurable, small and doable, so you stay motivated, focused on daily actions that build momentum. The short-term steps create long-term results. And as you're working on your goals, at some point, resistance is going to show up. You're going to feel like a fraud. You're going to feel like a failure. You're going to say to yourself, I'm not cut out for this. But let me reassure you, this is just your old self trying to keep you in your comfort zone. It's very normal. So you want to keep moving forward. You want to work past that. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You start at the base of the mountain and you're looking up at the peak, at the top of the mountain. There's going to be obstacles. There's going to be setbacks. There's going to be unexpected trees or ditches or something along the way. But every step forward brings you to the top. You keep climbing and climbing until you reach the top. The key here is that you kept going until you got to the peak of this mountain. And this is the same with your goal. You have to keep going no matter what obstacle and setback comes your way. Remember, you have a vision for your life. Life is unpredictable, and you are in the driver's seat. Yes, distractions may come, and so you may need to adjust your vision and your goal, and that's okay. Keep revisiting your goals, stay committed, and seek support when you need it. But most importantly, celebrate your progress. Look back at the steps that you've already taken and see how far you have come. See what you have achieved so far. Remember, you are creating the life that you want. If you're ready to trust yourself and take the first steps in reinventing your life and you want personalized support, I would love to work with you. So click the link below so you can book your free consultation call today, and let's work on mapping out your journey together. Next week, we are diving into one of the most powerful steps in reinvention, letting go of the old you so you can step into the new you. It's a game changer, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. Also, don't forget to grab your free guide, Creating the Ultimate Morning Practice to Ignite Your Day. The link is in the bio. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you can get more tips and inspirations every day. And I will see you in the next video.